Hello guys, today I'm just going to show you how you can create text styles inside of Figma. Okay, now this is going to be very useful, especially if you're using the same typography and the same size over and over again. And you want to reuse this feature for all of your projects, basically, or for one single project. And you want to save a lot of time, okay? This is going to save you a tremendous amount of time, okay? So what I want you to do is I want you to go into any project that you have open. In my case, this is the one that I have here. And without selecting any particular layer, as you can see here, I'm not selecting anything. Okay, I'm not selecting any particular layer like this one here, for example. I want you to go to your design menu and you need to look for local styles, okay? And now you're gonna press on this plus icon and you're gonna press on text. And now what I want you to do is I want you to give, a name to this style. For example, I'm just gonna name this, I don't know, antique style text, for example. And I'm gonna actually, select the font that I want to use, which in my case is gonna be this Ignat and Antiqua, okay, which is like an old font. And here you can select if you want a regular, bold, and so on, and the text size that you want to use. Okay, in my case, let's say that I'm gonna create, a bunch of things with a 36 size font. Okay, so I'm just gonna select it, and then I'm just gonna click on Create Style here, and now. After I select a text layer here, after I put a text layer, let's say this is just a text, I'm going to be able to actually go to, these properties, typography here, and you want to click onto this, button here, which is apply styles. And here you want to look for your style, which in my case is this one here, the one that I just created, okay? So just press here, and look, you have your text with this particular font and with this particular size, okay? So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much.